Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser, just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. And here simply sign into your account guys. If you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. This is very simple and easy. Once you create the account, then just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Or simply download the Steam and install it on your PC guys. This is very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open it, then just log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type the game which is the Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl. Now this game appear on the top, so open up this game. Here just select your date of birth. So I have to select any random date of birth and just click on this view page option you are seeing here. Once you click on this view page option, now here just scroll down guys, you will see the option of add to cart. Guys, this game is coming on 20 November. You can pre-purchase this game. So just click on this option of add to cart you are seeing here. Then just click on this view my cart option. Guys, once you click on that, click on this continue to payment option, and here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the right amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of Steam, and on the left hand side just find this Stalker 2 game. Click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.